I am very, very thankful to CLAPMA for felicitating me for my journey. I started my journey in 1969, and from 1969 to 2002, and it's 50 years in this profession. Thank you for all the love and affection all of you have given.
I can only say that I'm extremely honored and touched. I've been out of the industry for 10 years. In some way, I'm still connected to animal production because I work with sericulture farmers of Karnataka, Andhra, and Tamil Nadu. The animal has only become smaller. We also work with the biotechnology of silk as a protein. It is a marvelous protein which has multiple applications in healthcare, cosmetics, and even nutritionals. So I just want to say thank you to CLAPMA because in spite of being away for so long, they have chosen to give me a lifetime award, and I'm really grateful, thankful, and humbled. Thank you very much.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, my teachers, my seniors, I'm very much thankful to you for this opportunity and this honor. Thank you very much.
Good evening to all of you. It is a very great honor for me, and I am fortunate enough to receive it from CLAPMA. Thank you very much.
It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. A. Natarajan, who is the professor and head at Animal Feed Analytical Quality Assurance Laboratory in Namakkal. He has graduated in 1986 and he is a Master of Animal Nutrition in 1991. He obtained his PhD in 1998. He has been involved in upgrading the 100% self-financed Animal Feed Analytical and Quality Assurance Laboratory in testing the feed and feed ingredients for livestock and poultry since 1996, and it's on a cost-effective basis. It is in the nation's biggest poultry belt, Namakkal, which has more than 50 million acres. So what he has done has taken us miles in the analysis of the huge number of parameters in the shortest possible time using software-oriented LIMS. The lab processes 25,000 plus samples and carries out 60,000 tests per year. He has facilitated in obtaining prestigious ISO NABL accreditations for 10 key parameters, and he is the principal member of FAD of Bureau of Indian Industries. He was associated in many research projects and is currently involved in UK-India multidisciplinary project on antimicrobial resistance in broiler meat. Friends, I give you Dr. A. Natarajan.
Much privileged to stand before you, the learned personalities of this country, and I am really privileged to receive this award on this day after about 25 years of my contribution in the poultry nutrition. Thank you, CLAPMA. Thank you, everyone. Bye.